Assembly of your flame fire pit. First of all, check that you have all the components. There should be 2 end plates, 2 side plates, a fire base plate and an air control slider, ashtray, 5 cooker bars and 2 wedges. To start the assembly, place one of the end plates on its back, grab a side plate and put it into the slots. Make sure it slides down and locks. Note that the flange is facing inwards, and the same on the other side. Flange inwards. There you can get your ashtray and slot it into those holes like that. Your fire base plate goes on the bottom, in there. The air slider goes on top, in there, and then you're ready to lock it all together with the other end plate. Slide the 2 base plates into the slot like that, bring the ashtray up, drop it into its slots, bring in the side plates, drop them into their little slots like that. It's actually assembled now, so what we have to do is carefully tip it up onto its feet. Now it's actually secure now, but what we do is we lock it in place to make it super safe by adding these little wedges in the end here. And it's a good idea to tap those down, which really locks it together. Now you'll see that the fire pit is one piece, just like that. So we have our cooker bars, we've got some flat cooker bars, we've also provided some height adjustment with the high risers, which can also be turned over for some lower cooking as well. The air controller, you can see that at the moment it's in the open position, allowing full airflow, hot burn. If things get a bit too hot, you can close it by simply tapping that tab here with your shoe, and that will either reduce or close off the airflow. That's how you assemble your flame fire pit. Thank you.